Where's your banana chips?
They're in the car.
You see the white Carabao?
Yes.
Ganda.
Dutas dalan, uy. Kaninda pa picture. Susaya nga akong video, eh. Haba kayo mga gangis, ba?
O, diba? Ang ganda.
Oo, no?
Ate Sil, parang para sa atin talaga to kasi yung panahon nakibagay.
Sabi ko kay Kapara. Girl, tanong lusot mo. Pag sinabing takot na yung kalsada.
Maxine.
Turn.
Maxine.
Alam. Dadaan talaga siya doon. O ngayon, nakikis.
Nakikis.
Let's go picture these.
Hindi mo na namin yung sabi na immortal.
I think that's a volcano.
Oh. Mao, para taas ka tanawon.
Si Uncle Balong.
A picture. Pero oh, mga photo.
I want to, but I don't want you to.
That came view.
Is this the one?
Sus. Wow.
Dati swimming pool ito ng mga bata. May maybe because the owner here venture into another business. That's why. Maybe the owner of this establishment venture into another business, or maybe there's a problem they encountered. That's why. Wow. Labi na dito sa Cebu. Traffic biya kaayo. Init.
Tip kayo ba? Murag kuwan. Allah. Check in.
siya.
see?
Yeah, I know, I see it.
Ay, cute siya no. Cute siya. Very
Is that
cute.
the
Do you know that I already climbed there?
what?
Yeah. When I was in college, I climbed there with my friends. We went there in the tip of the mountain. Rice, cook the rice. After that, the rice will be cooked color yellow. But it's safe to use.
Was it yummy?
Yeah, same like rice. Gamiton to akong tripod. Pa-picture ta.
Mm.
Timer. Nakaagi na lagi mi diri. Bike sa uno ba? Panha kayo mi.